Hello, class. All right, we are going to get started on another lesson in grammar. So today we're going to be learning about nouns. What are nouns? What is a noun? A noun is a person, place, or thing. So nouns can be words like cats, socks, hero, monkey, baby. Mr. D isn't a noun. Beach, long branch. These are all different types of nouns. Yeah, these are not the only nouns, but these are just examples of a bunch of hundreds that there are out there. So this is just a page to look back on for more. These are common nouns and these are concrete nouns. So these are more that you'll see every day, as well as these. So we got bookshelf, earrings, everyday, heartbeat, headache, nose, music, London, truck, heart, book, ocean, pen. You get the point, but these are all nouns. So how are nouns and adjectives different from each other? Adjectives describe the noun. They give the descriptive words and details about the person, place, or thing. So in this, let's identify the noun and the adjective in the sentence. Michael is tall with dark brown hair. The noun is, let's see if you can get it, Michael. And the adjectives, because there's a few in this, is tall, dark, brown. And as well, I forgot to add, hair could also be a noun because it's a thing, because it's a thing on your head. So that's also important to note. So remember, nouns tell us what or who we're talking about, while the adjectives give description to it. So the adjectives give more detail to the noun, and they give more detail to the sentence. So now you're going to have 2 worksheets for homework on this. Pretty simple, but always look back at this as a helpful guideline when dealing with nouns.